Welcome to the Goldepot withdrawal tutorial. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the entire process of withdrawal from Goldepot using BinanceUS step by step. Step 1. How to find your TRC20 wallet address on BinanceUS. Log in to the BinanceUS app or website. Tap Portfolio at the bottom menu, then click on Deposit, and select Deposit Crypto. In the asset list, search USDT Tether and select it. Ensure the Tron TRC20 network is selected. If not, change it using the drop-down menu. Copy the displayed deposit address. Step 2. How to register your withdrawal address on the Goldepot website. Now, go to www.goldepottx.com and log in. Tap the menu icon on the upper left corner. Tap Accounts, then click on Withdrawal. Paste the copied address here, and click Register. Enter the amount, and tap Request. Important safety tips to remember when making a withdrawal. Before making a withdrawal, please ensure that your withdrawal wallet address is registered. The deposit and withdrawal addresses must be exactly the same. If the withdrawal address or selected network is incorrect, your assets may be permanently lost. Pay special attention to the network type, TRC20 versus Ethereum ERC20, and ensure you are selecting the correct one. We strongly recommend double-checking both the address and network before initiating any transaction. Withdrawals are only available for amounts of 100 USD or more. Requests under 100 USD will be automatically canceled. If you're using an exchange other than BinanceUS or Coinbase, please note that each platform has a different interface. Always confirm the correct network and deposit address before proceeding. Goldepot applies the highest security technology to protect customer assets and ensure secure transactions with personalized encrypted deposit addresses. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Goldepot, a new way to experience gold trading and pricing.